We have to start this video with a disclaimer. It's illegal and unethical to try to crack Wi-Fi passwords without explicit permission. The information provided here is for educational purposes only, to understand potential security threats and protect against them. Always practice ethical hacking. Wi-Fi password cracking involves the use of techniques to find the password of a Wi-Fi network. The goal here is not to encourage unethical actions but to understand how these methods work so we can secure our networks effectively. A common method is a dictionary attack, where a list of possible passwords, a dictionary, is used to guess the password. A more advanced method is a rainbow table attack, which uses pre-computed tables of hash values to find the password more quickly. In this script, we are using a Python library called PyWiFi, which provides a platform-independent API for manipulating wireless network interfaces. We're using this library to implement a simple dictionary attack against Wi-Fi passwords. The function test_password creates a network profile for a specific network and password. It sets the authentication type to open, the key management scheme to WPA2 PSK, and the cipher type to CCMP, which is standard for most Wi-Fi networks. It then tries to connect to the network with the profile. If the connection is successful within 5 seconds, it means the password is correct. In the usage example, we create a PyWiFi instance and get the first network interface. We scan for networks and try to crack the password of each network using a simple dictionary. In this case, the dictionary is password 1, password 2, password 3, but in a real-world scenario, it could contain thousands or millions of passwords. In reality, cracking a Wi-Fi password is not this easy. Most modern Wi-Fi networks have protections against dictionary attacks. For example, after a certain number of incorrect attempts, the device might be temporarily or permanently blocked from connecting to the network. This script is overly simplified and in most real-world scenarios wouldn't work. However, this example illustrates the importance of having a strong, unique password. A password like password1 would be easily cracked by a dictionary attack. It's always important to use strong, unique passwords and to change them regularly. Always remember, understanding these attacks helps us to build stronger defenses and protect systems better. Stay safe and keep learning.